Hello friends, welcome to episode 12 of JavaScript programming. In the previous episode we have learned how to use the switch statement. In this episode I will start the loops. So what is loop and why we need loops? So if we want to do some repetitive work again and again, or if you want to execute some certain code block with different values or same values again and again, then we will use loop. So there are different types of loops. So slowly we will explain all the loops. So let me show loop types. So one is like for loop, while, do while, and for in. So mainly we will focus on these three. So for, while, do while, and for in. Okay. So let's in this episode we will learn that for loop. So let me tell you the necessity of the loop. So suppose we want to alert this 1, 2 and 3. So let's go to the browser and refresh. We are getting 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now what, like if someone told you to print like 1000 alert, so you have to write the 1000 alert line. So there, like what we are doing here, we are alerting some number. So we can do this repeated event in for loop. So in for loop, so we have three statement. So for statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and in this region, so this is our code block section. So the first statement, initializations of the loop. So from where we want to start the loop. The second statement, the limit of the loop, where we want to stop. And the third statement, increment or decrement. So let me comment these things and let me create a loop. Let's say we want to print the alert message 3 times. So first one will print 1, second one 2, third one is 3. So we can start. So initialization for var I equal to 1. So now the loop starts. Now I limit is I less than 4. And how we will increase? So I plus plus. So increase 1 by 1. So now alert I. So let's go to the browser and refresh. So we are getting 1, we are getting 2, we are getting 3. Okay. So same thing now. If somebody wants 1000 times, we can put 1000, 1001 actually. Now here we have given less than, or we can give the equal to 3. So first time it will execute, the value is 1. Next time this statement 3 will increase the value by 1, that means 2 will print. Third statement, it will increase the value 3, that means 3 will print. After that, like in each statement, after this it will execute that whether this condition is true or false. So after when it will be 4, that time not I less than equal to 3. So then it will come out from the loop. So let's go and refresh. So 1, 2 and 3 we are getting. So the initializations loop we can write like this. So we can initialize var I equal to 1 there, and we can skip the first step. So let's go to refresh this page. 1 is working, 2 is working, and 3 is working. So now we can change the initial value from 2. So second and third will print. So 2 and 3 is printing. Next thing is that incremental value. So also we can omit this here, like I equal to I plus 1. So now let's go and refresh. So 2 and 3 we are getting. Now let's say we can change less than equal to 10. Now this time we want to increase the value by 3. So let's refresh this page. First we are getting 2, next 5, next. So in this way the value is increasing. So let's start with the 1. Now let's go and refresh. 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 7 plus 4, 7 plus 3 is 10, and after that the condition is not satisfying, that's why we are not able to see. So in this way you can create a for loop. One applications for the for loop, we can iterate an array. In the data types chapter we have I have explained the array. So let's say var names equal to alarm main to dependent. So we have written these names. Now we can alert an individual name by specifying their position. So let's go and refresh this. So we are getting the Vishru. Now if we specify the position 4, we are getting Kaushik. Now 5, refresh. So we are getting Akash. So in this way, so if we can mention this value dynamic way, then we can print all the names inside that array. So let's print all the names, alert all the names from array. So now we will start from var I equal to 0, I less than. So length, we can actually dynamically calculate the length, but here we will not. We will mention manually here. Later I will explain when I will start the array portion. So now let's alert names now I. So what will happen when the loop starts? The value I 0. So names I, that means 0. So Biswarup will alert. Next times it will increment by 1. So I becomes 0, 1. Sorry, 1. Now 1 is less than 6. Yes, it's true. So it will go again, alert. So next alarm will print. After that I will increment by 1. It will become 2. It will check 2 is less than 6. Yes. So then it will happen another alert. So in this way we can see all the names. So let's refresh. So we are getting Biswarup, Alam, Mintu, Dipanjan, Ausik, Akash. So this is the applications for loop. We can travel through an array, and also there are lots of other stuffs. So let's say we want to print, do some multiplications and print. So var result equal to I into I. Okay, now alert result. So let's refresh this page. So we are getting 0, 1, 4, 9, 7, 16, 25. Okay, because loop is up to 5, less than 6, that means 5. So or we can do like equal to 5, less than equal to 5. So 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So hopefully you understood the for loop, and thanks for watching. And if you have any question, then please write comment below this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.